On display is our ABL case loader. It uses a vacuum end-of-arm tool to pick a range of products and place them into Corrugate cases. Each ABL can be programmed with unique recipes to tailor each packaging solution. Compared to a standard gantry loading arrangement, the 4-axis range of motion of the ABL allows for much greater layout flexibility. It varies based on what type of product you want to load, whether it's loaves, buns, or specialty bread. Our patented high-definition end-of-arm tool can turn on and off individual cups to pick a wide range of products with great precision. Implementing automation solutions like the ABL can save your workers from repetitive motion injuries and added stresses. Post-packaging automation reduces cost, increases output, and maintains product quality. AMF is dedicated to finding a solution to your packaging opportunity, and we will stick with it until it's done.